If you ever have a problem that your calls are being stopped by themselves on your Android phone, so it may happen because of various reasons. But in this video, I'll show how to fix this problem, and watch it till the end because I will give you a very valuable tip. So first of all, you have to open up your settings. After that, we're gonna press on our mobile networks. Choose your SIM card, right? Now, first of all, make sure to check your mobile networks. All right, it's selected. Great. Now let's press preferred network type. So here, make sure to choose prefer LTE or prefer 5G over the slower versions of them. So 3G and 2G is not really actual at this point. Great. Let's follow to the next step. Now let's try some USSD code. So first of all, tap on your phone icon, tap on your dialer, and let's try and enter the first code. It sounds like this: star hash 31 hash. So it gives us all the information, whether we have hideout gun caller ID defaults not restricted, next call not restricted. So anything that's not restricted is a good sign because sometimes it may be restricted. If you have it restricted, let's do the following. Press OK. So you're to enter hash 002 hash. Call. Now just give it some time. The MA code started, and there we are. Call forwarding ratio was successful. Press OK. So basically, that's it. Now I recommend you to reboot your phone so our changes will be applied successfully. So here's a little tip. Do not forget to check your SIM card from time to time because the contacts on the SIM card may be dirty or it may be moved within the phone. Sometimes it happens, maybe your phone has fallen down and that's what happened. And basically that is it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.